This is pre-calculus, section 1.3. The title of section 1.3 is arithmetic sequences. And the first video in this section is on identify an arithmetic sequence. So that's what this video is about. Identify. Where am I going to write this? It's not working. There we go. Identify an arithmetic sequence.
Please be advised that all teachers and staff are free to go. Thank you.
Okay. Students will be able to identify and graph an arithmetic sequence. Students will be able to find a common difference. Those are the objectives for this section. So here I've got definition of an arithmetic sequence. The difference between each term and the preceding term is constant. That means that you're always, if you subtract those two terms, you're going to get the same number over and over and over again. So here we've got an arithmetic sequence. So if I take 10 minus 4, I get 6. Or another way to look at the same thing, if I take 4 plus 6, I get 10. Okay? So 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. And the difference between each of those consecutive terms is always 6. It's a constant number. And that makes this sequence arithmetic. I forgot to mention the pronunciation of the word. Arithmetic is an adjective, okay? It's written the exact same word, it's spelled exactly the same way as the word arithmetic, okay? But arithmetic is a noun, and arithmetic is an adjective, okay? So when we're describing a sequence, we call it an arithmetic sequence. And it's arithmetic if you add the same amount to the previous term to get the new term. The common difference is the amount that we're adding each time. So the common difference for this arithmetic sequence is 6. Okay, here's my next problem. Make sure that you have everything written in your notes. Is this sequence arithmetic, and what is the common difference? Okay, so let's examine this sequence. If I'm going from 33 to 27, I'm now subtracting 6. 27 to 21, I'm subtracting 6. 21 to 16, I think I'm subtracting 5. 16 to 11, I'm subtracting 5. Here I'm subtracting 4. Here I'm subtracting 4. Okay, so this one's not arithmetic. But the reason that it's not arithmetic is because the difference between the terms is not constant. It's changing. Okay, so some sequences are arithmetic, some are not. And so the first thing that you have to know is that, we're going to give you some rules about arithmetic sequence, but the rules only apply to arithmetic sequences. They don't apply to all sequences. It doesn't matter that the amount you're adding is negative, okay? You're allowed to subtract or add a negative number in an arithmetic sequence, but it has to be the same number every time. Okay, so that concludes the first video in section 1.3 on identifying an arithmetic sequence.